Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1971 Pontiac GTO killer car, guys. It's a 5-year-old complete body up restoration. Very nicely done car, guys. I wish we had some sunshine. This thing has a beautiful color combination on it, and this is factory. It's called a Copper Canyon, and it's a metallic. And then it's got the factory Sienna interior, which is kind of in the burnt orange kind of category. But man, do I wish we had some sun. It started to pop out here, and this color glows. Just a pretty color combination, man. Love 71s. I love those hoods. You can see it's got the factory Pontiac Rally 2s on it with the correct PMD caps and lugs. I did shoot this car before, and I fixed a lot of the little things that I was hoping that we would get time for. One is this. The front nose, if you remember, had some cracks in it. It no longer does. I had this all repainted. So that front nose now is beautiful, guys. Also had the hood adjusted. You can see the car's got the original T3 headlights. Again, it is a real 242 GTO. It is also a matching numbers 455 car. Original color combination. It's a 2-owner California car. I actually took the car in on trade. And sorry about the little sprinkles, guys. It's kind of what it is. I've been here for the last couple of days. But pretty color combination. Car runs and drives excellent. I mean, and Pontiac guys going to understand this. This thing drives like a Pontiac should. Nice and tight. Hits the road real good. Car is detailed up real nice, even on the bottom. Little blemishes. Chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. You can see nice and straight down the sides. It's got the correct chrome tips on it. That's a nice car, man. Like I said, I wish the sun was shining on this thing because the paint on this car glows. It's a pretty color. Dual sport mirrors. Again, matching numbers, 455 cubic inch engine, really drives out nice and tight. 4-barrel, stock intake, exhaust, it's got headers on it. You can open the doors too, Mike. Does have headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. Also, they've converted, it's got a Pro Billet distributor in it. It's a factory tach car. I have bought the converter, so we should be able to make this tach work. That would have been a points tach. And so you got to buy this little converter to make it work. And so we bought the part to make it work. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Pretty car. Yeah, the stone peck there. This car is nice, man. Got a great look, and like I say, just drives outstanding. This is a remote mirror. Door handles are nice. They definitely replaced all the door rubbers. Ton of paperwork that goes with this car too. You can see the bottoms of those doors are nice. Beautiful factory interior. This has been all replaced. New carpet, new sill plates. bucket seats, console, tilt column with a factory steering wheel. I replaced the headliner. Headliner had a tear in it, so it's got a brand new headliner in it. Showing 52,586. There is a log that shows this car registered up to 40,000 miles. It could be right. Again, factory tach car. I've got the part that should make it work. Blower motor works. The factory AM radio did not work. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. It has the factory 12 bolt 307 safety track or limited slip rear end with the sway bar. This car is clean, guys. Pretty car. Factory jack with the old Firestone F7014 spare. Ton of paperwork. Original build sheet, window sticker, door tag. Like I say, a lot of stuff when the car was new. This is what your mileage, it's got a mileage log in there. Again, it's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Nice and clean. Really cool car, man. Everything opens and closes nicely. Again, very nice underneath, guys. Door skins are nice and clean. It's just a pretty car. I found the correct color floor mats for it. That dash is nice. Again, all the gauges are nice and clean. Center console's nice. 400 turbohydramatic transmission. Go ahead and start it up, buddy. Again, door handles are nice. Dual sport mirrors. Nice little cam to it. Nice little load. Good sound, like I say, hits the road, outstanding, nice and tight, shifts good. That's a pretty car. Fuel gauge works. Like I say, everything else is really just on the idiot lights. Again, we should be able to make that tach work. And the doors open and close real nice. Hit your brakes, Mike. Good. Get a little rev. That's good sound. Radio did not work. Blower motor does work, guys. Yeah, everything's nice and tight. Wipers. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That's just a pretty car. Glows on it. Let that blue car clear, Mike. Don't take off in front of him. Have a great day, guys.